Hey guys, LayerEdge is one of the easiest DPIN projects you will register in, and that is because registration is just in 3 simple steps. Now, I'm going to walk you through that using my mobile device. So, if you are using an Android device to run airdrops, DPINs, and testnet, just download your Mises browser, copy the link, go to dashboard.layeredge.io. Okay, so from there, once it opens, if your browser is giving you verifying browser issue, like it is not proceeding because it is always giving you verifying browser, you can turn on a VPN and that will help you to pass the security capture. Okay, so the registration process is in 3 easy steps. First of all, you need to connect your wallet. In this case, I use Metamask, so I'll connect my Metamask. All right, once my Metamask is connected, this is the first that is the first thing you need to do. Second one is to put in an invitation code. Remember, you need an invitation code to register for OpenLayer. Please do use my invitation code. It is very easy. Just type DYU and then 77QRR. So this is my invitation code. You always find it on the description of this video and on your screen right now. So I'll click on continue. Okay. While waiting for that, one of the reasons why I like this LayerEdge is that it is one of those very few airdrops that has separated referral rewards from actual mining reward. You know how it is very easy for influencers to accumulate millions, and before you know it, they are already getting majority of the token supply. LayerEdge, once you start LayerEdge, what you get from mining will show on your dashboard, and then what you get on referral is set aside as a pending reward. So if they can hold on to that, like separate mining rewards from referral rewards, so that at the end of the time they can find a way to compensate influencers so that everybody can get a fair share of the airdrop, is going to be a very good thing to do. You understand what I'm trying to explain here, right? So I'll always advise you to register and mine as much as you can while it is still active. Okay, so now I am in, right? Now that is the second step. Then the third step you need to start earning on the platform is to click on start node. You can see start node here. I'm going to click on start node and you connect your wallet again. This will require you to connect wallet. So if this doesn't work at first time, you can keep trying. Just keep clicking on it and it will eventually work. So I'm going to confirm my wallet first. Processing. And that is it. My node is now running, and this is with my mobile phone. You can see it is already counting, right? You can see that it is already counting here. 3 points. Now, as long as your browser is active, as long as the tab on your browser is active, it will keep counting your node. And then another way to earn faster is you need to keep your browser active. Always keep it active, and use the browser for your browsing and some other things. Okay, because once you are using your browser for the pin, the more activity you carry out with your browser, the more points you are going to earn. Now, if you are active in a day, you can earn nothing between 10,000 to 15,000 points on this LayerEdge as long as you are active. If you have a laptop, after your registration, log into your laptop, connect your wallet, and then just leave your laptop on, and then it will keep accumulating points for you. Now, to get your referral code, the first thing you should do is that come to the top of your screen here on your mobile. You need to change your mobile view to desktop view so that it will display the site correctly. So when I click on this, scroll down and click on desktop site. So I'll switch to desktop sites, wait for this to load up. Okay, verifying my browser, just need to give it time. All right, so I'm up now. Now you just need to click on, from the top of your screen here, you can see copy referral code, right? This is copy referral code here. Let me make that clear. copy referral code. Once you click on copy referral code, the code that you will give to people who want to register will be copied to your clipboard. So I'll click on copy referral code and it will be copied to my clipboard. Then you can share the link, which is dashboard.layeredge.io alongside with your code, so that whoever wants to register, when it's time for them to put in your code, they will type your code and then use it to complete their registration. For the meantime, please use my code, which is showing on your screen now. Use it to complete your registration, and remember to always keep the node running actively so that you keep accumulating points in the background. And so far, I have earned over 60 points just in less than a minute or so of registering. Okay, so just do this. If there's any question, always remember to ask me in the comment section or through my contact details in the description of this video. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share this video for others to benefit as well. And bye for now, guys.